What's happening? We're out here with the Z. I don't know about you guys, but you see like the big hole right here? Whenever I'm turning right, that wheel in there, see it down in there, just shoots water all over my air filter. So first I got one of these little like air filter socks that's supposed to like help it be more waterproof. But just in case, I decided to make this little template. Right? Which way does this go? Alright, so this guy would sit right in there, you know, block that up. Get it? And I took some of this aluminum right here. Cut it out of metal. And I painted it black with some plastic dip, you know. This stuff, give it like kind of a rubber plasticky coating. Now I've got this guy made all nice, slides right in behind that, sits right in there, bolts in place on whatever this little mount is. That goes there in that mount, this sits in there in that little hole, and now that plus the air filter with the water sock should not get any water in there. And I also got this little vent in the front that should send some cold air to it, but I'm hoping that'll keep it from soaking my air filter when I'm driving. There have been times where I've opened the hood, felt my air filter, and it's just soaked, waterlogged. Hoping this little panel right here will help fix that. What do you guys think? You ever had this issue? Do you think the air filter shock would have been enough? I don't know. Might be overkill, but we'll see.